These days, ride-sharing has become one of the common ways to get from one place to another. There are two companies that predominantly dominate the ride-sharing area, Lyft and Uber. And so there are four main questions that one should ask before selecting an attorney with regards to ride-sharing. First, whether or not the lawyer that's going to be selected is a personal injury lawyer. That's a lawyer who dedicates himself to personal injury lawsuits, isn't involved in bankruptcy, wills, or divorces. The next thing is whether or not that lawyer has experience with regards to handling ride-sharing cases. That means cases involving Lyft and Uber. And what I mean by experience, in other words, he has handled them from beginning to end. And with that brings up the third question as far as whether or not the attorney is a trial attorney. That means that the attorney is a lawyer who not only takes in the case from the very beginning, sits with the client, and gets to know the facts about the case, but is able to go all the way to the distance to trial and obtain a verdict or a resolution for the client. And finally, whether or not the attorney is a board-certified personal injury attorney. That means that he is one of 3% of all the attorneys in the state of Texas that have that certification as being a specialist in that area of law, which is personal injury law. So with those four questions being asked and answered by the attorney that you're talking to, I think that will form a good basis for you to make a decision in selecting an attorney.